Okay, in this today's video, I will show you the way that you make this platform unlimited by adding multiple provider, which is none other than OpenCode. This is my best open source AI coding agent, where OpenCode Zen itself provide huge amount of token for free, and at the same time, I will show you the way that you can add multiple provider to increase its limit and make it unlimited. Okay, then let's get started. First, you need to install OpenCode. If you want a desktop version, then download and install it. I'll always prefer to use in terminal. That's why I'm going to copy it from here. Before installing it, you already need to install Node. Okay, check does Node will be already installed in your system or not. During installing Node, npm will be automatically installed. After this too, you can easily install OpenCode where I have already installed it. By this way, you can check it if version will be reflected, which means it will be already installed in your system. After you have installed, start your OpenCode and press enter. At the same time, I will also show you how you can use it inside your Visual Studio Code as well. Ignore it all. Initially, you don't see anything. After you have installed it all, then get back to here in opencode.ai and click on OpenCode Zen and get started with Zen. If you are using it for the first time, you need to create an account here. Account creation process is easy. By using your Gmail, GitHub and other social media, you can easily create your account. Using OpenCode Zen, you can get access of 4 models for free, which is Laguna, Ling, Nematron and North Minicode. This 5 and Mimo 6. This 6 will be freely available inside your Visual Studio Code for now. At the end, I'll show you at least 20 model for free inside your OpenCode, and I'll make your OpenCode unlimited for your coding. You never hit your limit. After that, you need to create your API key. I'm going to delete my all API key and I'm going to create new API key. Give any name that you want. Create your API key and copy it from here. Get back to the OpenCode, press / connect, and defaultly OpenCode Zen will be reflected here. If not, search it and press enter. Here it will ask a OpenCode Zen API key. Base URL will be already there. After you have provide API key, press enter. Then you are ready to use. All the OpenCode Zen model will be reflected here. Some model are paid and some model are free. Currently there are 6 model free. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. I'm going to select this big pickle. Hi, thinking, working perfectly. / model free. DeepSeek before flash. How are you? Perfect. Everything is perfect here. Both model are working perfectly, and you can see how much fast this model is. DeepSeek response in 2.2 seconds and Big Pickle response in 5 seconds. This is the one way you can get 5 model for free. And OpenCode provides a huge context window for you. If you worry about this percentage and token, don't worry, this is the context token. Automatically it will start from 4%. If you close this window and open it again it will start from 4%. 4 is the initial percent. To be honest, I never hit limit in OpenCode. I don't know how much limit it will provide, but I have never hit limit by using OpenCode Zen model. Here I will also show you the open provider as well. After you have completed the OpenCode process, next will be the OpenRouter. OpenRouter also provide decent amount of token and multiple model for free. You can see this is the list of model which will be provided in OpenRouter. If you are using it for the first time, log in with your account and type free, then all the free model will be reflected here. And not only model, it will be show the rank of this model. Currently Nematron 3 Ultra will be ranked 3rd in programming index. In 7 days it will use 2.59 trillion token through the OpenRouter, and this model will be ranked in 13 in programming index. This model is ranked in 26 in programming index. This model ranked in 15. Poolside Laguna M1 will be free until 28 July. Laguna S2.5 is free from long time. Some other model will be also available here for free. GPT also provide, Zema also provide, Nematron provide, and free model router will also provide. Not only this model, any new model will be launched, then most of the open source model will be freely available first here in OpenRouter or OpenCode Zen. Then how you can use it? After you have creating account, go to your profile section here and I will show you my credit. I have not top up until it. My credit is 0. Go to the API key section, create new API key, give any name, free API key, and select the expiration date. I'm going to select 1 hour only for tutorial purpose. Didn't share your API key with anyone. My API key will be expired in 1 hour and one API key will be reflected here at once. You will not be able to see it again, but best part, you can easily create as much API key as you can. Copy it from here, get back to the OpenCode, again press /connect, source for OpenRouter, press enter, provide your API key that you have created, press enter, then you are ready to use all the free model provided by OpenRouter inside OpenCode. This is the list of free model. K3 is also available here, but not free. Okay, if you type free, then you can see how much model will be available here for free. This is the list of model currently available for free. Okay, I'm going to select this Nematron 3 Ultra and keep in mind some model may not respond you. Okay, this is the list of free model. Sometime any model may not respond, but most of the time this model is working perfectly. Okay, Nematron 3 Ultra is also fast. It will respond in 3.7 seconds. Now you can set it's in plan mode and build mode. Okay, in terminal mouse is not working. You can see the token, it will show 1%. Okay, this is not actual token. This is the context token. It will reset in time to time. After this all, I'm going to build one project here and I will show you. First I'll close it from here and I'll start my OpenCode inside my test folder. OpenCode. Okay, I'm going to give one prompt which is build a modern responsive basketball web game using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Okay, this game will feature smooth player movement, dribbling, smooth passes and some other detail. Let's see which type of game does it build. I don't clearly mention which type of game is it. I'll give little bit hint about mixture of some game. Let's wait until it will complete this task. When it will complete it, then we will see the overview of this project. If you face this type of timeout error, then if you can type continue and it will again start to work. Sometimes you also need to switch model between them. Finally, it will complete it. It will take little bit time where it will generate multiple file. You can see this is the list of file and it will properly structure the code and folder both. During creating project, I have faced one problem which is timeout error in Nematron 3 Ultra. Then I have switched to the DeepSeek Vivo Flash. After switching DeepSeek, I have never faced this problem. Okay. Then according to my experience, DeepSeek will be better. OpenCode model will be better than OpenRouter model. Now I am going to open it from the Visual Studio Code, or you can also ask this in OpenCode as well. Can you run this project? It will give you the link. Here I am going to open test folder here. Inside test folder, basketball folder, inside this basketball folder, asset will be here, CSS will be here, JS will be here, game. You can see how much perfect is it. It will properly structure your code as well. Now I'm going to run it. Okay, I'm again directly open this basketball game folder, not test folder, test basketball, open index.js, go live. You can see Rook Pro, all start, everything will be mentioned here. Start game. Okay, game is not start. Let's ask them to open code where game is not start. When I press start, game is not start. Why, and can you solve this problem? This is the way that you can interact with AI. Where you have faced any problem, give prompt to solve it. It will try to solve. If not, again give the prompt. Okay, that's the way that you can code. I don't want to make it video too much long. That's it for today's video. If you find this content helpful, you may subscribe as well. Happy coding. We'll meet you on the next video. Bye bye.